What type of animal was Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo, no. I am. Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
But I know that was.
My name is Daniel Loveless and I'm out here with
Anthony Singh.
Anthony Singh here today. And I want to ask the man the very, very simple question that I ask around the world. What you know? Name a part of your body beginning with the letter V and ending with A.
Oh, God.
Come on.
Now look at that, boy.
Try a thing now, man.
Now, I'll call a Chelsea player now. And cricket and thing. I deal up with sports and thing.
Right.
Club football and chess one day. IPL, 50 overs. One day, T20 and test match. Well, tomorrow, West Indies is playing tomorrow. We'll be playing in Jamaica, in Trinidad tomorrow. As the West Indies take on England in the third test match. And they're going to win. I believe they have the guts and the belly to win. You're going to laugh, so yeah, Chelsea is my club. I have this photograph of Chelsea. And my name is Anthony Singh. Look at that tattoo, my name here too, Anthony Singh. Yeah. So I would like to call out some of the players of Chelsea. Hazard, William, Danny Lewis.
12 seconds later.
And also this person.
We could move on to the interview?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So this is the question. Name a part of your body. Step forward a little bit. Name a part of your body beginning with the letter V and ending with A.
And then with A? Yeah. V? With part of your body?
Yeah.
Your lungs?
Huh?
Your lungs?
Your lungs. Your lungs.
Your lungs, yeah.
Your lungs. Right. This is the next question. Your grandmother's only child, only son is who to you?
Your grandmother.
Yes.
What you say again?
Your grandmother's only child, only son is who to you?
My grandmother. My grandmother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the next question here. What is the opposite of the word automatically?
Automatically?
Yeah.
Well, I can't answer that question.
What is the opposite of the word automatically?
Well, I can talk about having a child.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
If you ain't mind the child, we'll bring you up in court for maintenance.
Yeah.
Child father and child mother.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Right. And
Okay.
ODI, 50 overs, T20 test match.
Yeah.
I wish West Indies good luck.
Yeah.
And good shape and good hope to win that test match.
Yeah.
Although test match is 5 days.
Yeah.
5 days,
Yeah.
2 test matches and draw already. It's just one more down to the wire, and I believe they could take it.
All right. What type of animal was Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo, no. I am. Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
Boy, I know that was.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Try a thing now, man.
Scooby-Doo, you know? The
Come a little
cartoon?
closer. Yeah.
The cartoon?
Come up a little bit. Come up. What type of animal was Scooby-Doo? Try a thing now, man.
Oh, God. You want to try to sell you something?
Yeah. Try.
Name Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Which part of your body is your navel located?
Navel? Right there.
All right. Good. Tell them why you should win the $1,000 before
I should win the $1,000 because I want to drink a lot of Monster. And that is my procedure. And I would like to drink the best, eat the best, drink the best, sleep the best, and walk away with $1,000.
Yeah. So what if you should give me $1,000? Let me know in the comments. And well, if you didn't know, now you know.